Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and this is a little video of some happy mail I got something, a little something from Pipsticks. I got stamps from Syncopation Design and a Citrus Twist Kits package. So I am going to start with this little order that I already opened. It's from Pipsticks. I also ordered one of their new mugs and a sweatshirt. Their pre-order in, I know the mug just shipped, but the sweatshirt hasn't. And I wanted this Care Bear collection. I wanted the whole thing, but it was $100, and I can't justify spending $100 on fluffy, cute bears. So I just decided to get the two washies because it's the thing that I wanted the most. And they made me think about my sister. My sister really loved, so she was born in 81 and I was born in 86. And like she had a lot of Rainbow Bright, and she liked Care Bears and stuff like that. And I got these little cute ones because I thought that they would be great for my little embellishment clusters with the washi and the little word stickers. And you know, I always like a little extra, either a heart or a star. So these are little bit, oh my god, little bees and bugs. And this is Colorful Climate, which has stars, which I love that too. I'm gonna try not to use them all in one layout. And the little lightning bolts are silver, but the clouds have like a super slight pattern. It has like very thin lines. I don't think you're gonna be able to really see it. And then I have a few of the raindrops that are hollow, so that's pretty well. I think the thunderbolts are hollow too. It's just they look silver depending on it. That's pretty cool. Let me see if you can. This is really pretty. It's really hard to capture on video, but they're gorgeous. And then I got this is the April 2021 the Petite Pro Sticker Club kit. And I feel so dumb that I really wanted to subscribe on April, but I didn't. And they have like a bunch of crafty stickers, and the price is really good. I know that right now, until every month they have a different offer, and when you sign up for for your monthly subscription, the first 3 are half off. So I started that one, and it was just $9 and free shipping. I think it's an amazing deal. Let me see if I can grab something white. Oops, not white. Okay, let's use the back of this super cute postcard that I kind of want. I would like to like write something here and then like frame it. Oh, and it's gone. Okay, so first we have these, which are really cute, kind of 60s flower power pattern. Love the colors too. Then we have this with lips and lip balm. Really cute. And this is one of the reasons I got it. This is like a movie night sticker sheet, really cute, with the popcorn and the 3D glasses, the old school TV. Oh my god, a VCR, and the cassettes. It's a very old-fashioned thing to say. And speaking of old-fashioned cassettes, I love these. These are so cute. I am obsessed with them. And then they have super tiny stars too. These have like little popcorn. I don't know if you noticed. Let me show you again. Little popcorn pieces. It's really cute. And these ladies, which are super cute. Love it. More flower power sort of theme. Groovy. Have a nice day. No rain, no rainbows, and the little peace sign. Have a nice day. So cute. I like the extra pieces. I think that one of them came off and it's on top of the other one. Goodness gracious. Why did I decide to do that in a video? Okay. And then we have these super cute butterflies. Okay. And also what I love about the subscription is this little newsletter. I would love a sticker magazine, I know, or like a stationery magazine. How nerdy that sounds, but I would love it. And it just gives you a little story and like behind the scenes stuff, some polls, the drawing process, really cute. And some ideas, a creative challenge. And wait a minute, no, this is not. I thought it was like a magazine, but it's not. And these are the ones for the month after this one. So that's pretty cool. Now they changed it. I think it's smaller, but it's super cute. And this came like in a baggie that was bigger, but I opened it and got rid of the baggie. But I do like this because you get to like put everything back there. And then if you get those sticker organizers, which by the way look really cute and really cool, there are like sizes specifically for the sheets, like the 4x4, and the ones that are a little taller. I'm gonna put it back here, and I showed you my bears. These are gonna go to my everyday drawer with a little sticker. Okay. Then here we have the stamps from Syncopation, and they're from the new collection, I believe. Let's Get Lit. Oh wow, this is some. And they're 6x8. Ooh, yes! I got the digital version of this. I am pumped because I have the digital version, but I do like stamping on my actual book. I feel like it gives it like a real DIY feel. Oh my god, and I love, 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 love the stamp sets. And I like this even more because I thought that it was going to be a little bit bigger. And I thought that it was going to be like a little bit challenging. And I can use this for like my monthly reads. I absolutely love every bit of this. Like the library card, I am obsessed. And the little couch, the book, due date and pick up. Oh my god, I gotta pick up a book. I think it's due like the last day today. And then this shelfie is really awesome. You can stamp it and then you can like write on the spine. You can either like just strike it with colors, or you can use, this one's number 2. You can use number 2 or number 1, even 3, depending on which book it is, or you know, how long is the title. And here you can like stamp the 5 stars and fill them out. And they have like a little box, genre, rating, author, title. Stay true to yourself. Oh, that's cute. How cute would that be, like on a shirt? Like, you know what I mean. If I was like, I get so tempted by the whole vinyl on shirts and sweatshirt things with stuff like this, like reading stuff, whenever they're like, here's a cut file or a digital stamp, and I'm like, oh my god, that would look so cute like as a shirt. And I'm not gonna pick a favorite because it all works well together. I need them all. But I love this. You can get them on her Etsy shop, and I'm gonna link all 3 shops below, so you guys can treat yourselves, or Mother's Day is coming. you, it's a good chance. Like, let me know if you're gonna ask for crafty stuff for Mother's Day. I want to know what you're getting. Actually, the Pipsticks, like the mug and the sweatshirt and the stickers and the subscription, is all my Mother's Day present. I just wanted to get the mug first because I was afraid that it was gonna like sell out, and I really want the mug. There's a few of them, and I'll try to show it when I get it. Okay. There we go. Ooh, exciting. Okay, let me see what we have here. So this is... Okay, so we have here a super cute die cut. This. Ooh. I like the random die cuts they throw in the boxes. Love this font. Movie night. Ooh, and then we have this ticket. Should I go a little closer? Let's go closer. Oh, that's a bit too close. Okay. And let's start with the cards. I wonder if these are the ones from Travelogue. Or are they a mix? No, I think these are the ones from Travelogue. Yeah. There's a bunch of these cards that I absolutely love. And I'm gonna show you this one's my favorite though. That honeysuckle one. And I like this one, write your own story and be in the moment. That's a solid top 3 there. Super cute. Field notes. I love this card, the field notes one. They always have one that is really good for journaling that I keep using over and over. Put the cards back here. I see stamps, and I love this font. It's called the Sadie stamp. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's like a typewriter font, but a little bit more modern. I am obsessed with it. And what's that? What's that company's? Numbers. And the quality is really good. It's amazing quality. It's high polymer. I have no idea what that means, but I know that they stamp really well. And I have another stamp back here, and this is another traveling stamp. This one is 6x8. This ones are 4x6. And I love the geotag that I'm gonna use a lot. A little hammock. This is really cute too. I love these kind of elements that you can like layer, but they don't have to really mean something specific. Love this camera. Really cute. Journey, escape, the mountains are calling. Well, they're gonna stay calling because I don't do mountains. I get dizzy. I love Utah. It's so beautiful. Every time I go there, I get sick because of the altitude. And let me see. Here we have some extra items. Oh, heck yes. These are always so thick. Making hoarder, kill them with craftiness. Aww, that's so cute. Not killing is cute, but this is my creative space. I love it. It's very craft related. I'm pretty sure because National Scrapbooking Day is coming over. These are so cute. And again, numbers. I have these in orange. And I had these, but I love them. Again, they have numbers. I'm a simple person. Just give me numbers. Wait, yeah. This is so cute. It's like a crafty one. And you have like, you know, washi tape and cameras and brushes and flowers. It's so cute. And I love the colors. I love this ruler. Oh, I love this. I'm excited to use this. And then we got some papers. And I'm gonna say this looks like Travelogue also. Yes. I already used this card because I like it so much. And I love these papers, so I'm happy to have an extra pack of these. There you go. I think I missed one, didn't I? Yeah. You behind. Orange. So cute. And you can get the digital version of these papers too. I actually did a project with what I did was I printed that paper that I showed you last in bigger paper. And I should have this, either it's coming or it should be in the channel, and I did some stitching. Really like that. But yeah, that's what I love about digital papers. You can do, what I do a lot also is turn them into 3x4 cards or 4x6s. It's really convenient. So that was my Happy Mail. Okay, from this little Switchers Twist Kits package, my favorite thing is going to be the Alpha stamps. And if I have to pick one, I would pick the small one. I'm a lowercase kind of alpha loving person. From Syncopation, I'm not gonna pick. From this one, oh, this is kind of a hard one because I know this is gonna be a staple, but I love the mixtape stickers, so I'm gonna go with the mixtape stickers. I'm gonna do a top 3. The mixtape stickers, these little ones, and the Care Bear's face. They're so cute. Well, let me know what was your favorite item or your favorite little haul. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye.